Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford Explorer Limited with the 300A package. The exterior color is white platinum metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights as well as high and low beam headlights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, a front-facing camera, front-facing park sensors, and an engine block heater connection. Over the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels. We also have color-matched mirror caps and chrome door handles. At the rear we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have a beautiful twin-panel moonroof as well as our roof rails. This Ford Explorer also comes with remote start. At the rear we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera as well as a power liftgate. At the rear window we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, memory seating for the driver, power windows, and power adjustable and foldable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our liftgate button. We have a fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have 3 garage door opener controls and our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black leather seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 208,351 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Explorer. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy air-conditioned and heated seats, and our driver can enjoy a heated steering wheel. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders with ambient lighting, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear of our center console, we have a rear climate control area, as well as dual USB ports and an AC outlet. Our outwards passengers can also enjoy heated seats. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers, while creating multiple access points to our third row seating. Our third row provides seating for 2 more passengers, making this a total of 7 passenger seating. If there are any more questions with this beautiful Ford Explorer, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.